our weekly eToro portfolio report. And this is right here on my profile, Nate Gratian on eToro. If you are looking to get started investing, eToro is a great platform to get started, get going. And yeah, you can copy investors on here. You can copy what I do and what I invest in if you like my strategy. But let's dig into the week's results and the end of November, because November's finished now and we're about to get started in December. Right here you could see what, for the past few years how I've been performing on eToro. It's been a good couple years as we draw to the end of 2024. Let's jump into the stats for this year, for 2024. This week we did 1.33%. We started the week with our year sitting at 25.12, and we now sit at 26.45. We closed off November over 6% gain for the month of November. That's awesome. Really good result there. So 6% gain, making it the best month for the year so far. We'll see what happens in December. I do suspect the rally will continue through December and we'll finish the year just a little bit higher. This is how the year's been. We did deposit some funds this week into our portfolio and invested those funds. This was a shortened week with Thanksgiving happening on Thursday. You can see our risk score there. We usually sit between a 3 and a 5 for our risk score. That is out of 10. Our 12 copiers that copy our portfolio with between 50 to 100,000 US dollars. Thank you to those who do copy. I really appreciate it, and I hope you're enjoying a great year. Just some other stats as we scroll through here. I'll show you what we're currently invested in shortly. You can see at the moment we are 66.67% profitable weeks, which is pretty good. Pretty good result. Happy with that. And our current portfolio, we're currently invested in ETFs. That's where we're sitting. We're keeping it real simple, real basic at the moment, not changing things too much. We are long-term investors, so you could see VTI, the total US market, is our largest holding. VUG, growth companies, about 300 growth companies, is next, and VOO tracks the S&P 500. It's an ETF that tracks the S&P 500, and that is where we put our kids' college fund, and that's where we allocate money each fortnight into there. This week, as usual, we put some money into VOO, and we invested into VUG, put some funds in there. And then next week we're going to keep it steady. As we get paid fortnightly, we invest fortnightly. And so that's where we're currently sitting. Things are shaping up well to finish off with a strong year. If you are looking to start investing, comment below. I'm more than happy to help get you started. These are just my results, what we're doing. This is not financial advice. So please, I don't know your circumstances and everything you're going through. But if you're able to start investing, or you want to start investing and you're not sure where to get started, comment below. As I mentioned, eToro is a great platform, and I've really enjoyed being on here. If you haven't subscribed yet or followed our channel yet, I'd love for you to join. We do these types of videos each week on the weekend, giving a weekly report, and then throughout the week I give financial tips and just what we're doing type of thing, and things we invest in, and personal finance, budgeting, stuff like that. So follow along, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.